Today we will be building this hamburger icon. Pretty simple, won't take very long. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So we're here in the terminal. I'll begin by creating a HTML file called index.html. I'll run !tab to get that template, and for the title I'll give it a title of hamburger icon. I'll then create a div with a class of hamburger. Inside the div I'll create a span with a class of bar. I'll copy this and paste it twice below. Next I'll create a style sheet and I'll call it style.css. In the index.html file I'll run link tab, and for the href I'll point it at style.css. In style.css I'll style the body. I'll give the body a display of flex, justify content center, align item center, and I'll give it a height of 100 viewport height. Next I'll style the hamburger. I'll give it a display of flex direction column, and justify content space between to space the bars, and align item center. I'll give it a width of 70 pixels and a cursor pointer with a height of 60 pixels. Next I'll style each bar. I'll give each bar a height of 10 pixels, a width of 100% so that it stretches the entire div, and I'll give a background of black as well as a border radius of 10 pixels. And if I open this in live server, we can see the hamburger icon right here. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.